Well, another sad news coming through. Ghana Premier League keeper and I say player Emmanuel Essul Otumfo Nyankopon emfa the cries. Munim says our player not too long ago na no home fan no and amanfo support ya for the past few months hospital no but unfortunately we James Otumfo Nyankopon emfa the cry nsie Emmanuel Essul Mambeka recently no Legon Cities. Yes, Legon Cities and Osaboma Vision FC. The photo and that screen. So the photos before and after bia na air trending on social media and pa. Inti once before no na enye. Inti now no senka improvement abaka but unfortunately no ekra dia na edin na enra yenya news say wanya ne baby ko abrana or hospital. So ya wish Legon Cities and in a busua especially in this difficult time say Otumfo Nyankopon ensure mo den na omo abotre bi ehia na omo fan recover from this tragic news hit you more at this particular time. Legon Cities press statement omo de beto so rest in peace William Emmanuel Essul. We all at Legon Cities Football Club mourn the loss of the talented goalkeeper and beloved member of our team. Essul was a hugely popular figure at our club. He always went about his duties with amazing positivity. We were hopeful that Essul will be back to join his teammates as he started making steady recovery during his illness, but unfortunately we lost him to the cold hands of death. Our thoughts and condolences go to his family and friends and teammates during this difficult time. May his memory continue to inspire us on and off the pitch. That is Legon Cities official statement regarding Emmanuel Essul quiet departure no na omode ebetu screen so Otumfo Nyankopon ehune mobo na ne bone obeye ni wiase no mfa nche no na papa obeye ye no onjintum no ma ho reward Emmanuel Essul Ghana Premier League. I think according to numbers, no almost no 22 years. We must work kunadu and always you forever be in our hearts. I think must work kunadu ekochi Legon Cities kakranti one no ejuma ewo ho as enti Otumfo Nyankopon emfa the crancy at this particular moment. We wish the family all the peace, patience and thoughts